Hello everyone, this is Khaldun from Kanen Coffee. Today I'm going to test this rocket beautiful espresso machine after replacing the water pump, and I replaced the power switch and making overhaul for the group head, and of course the overhaul including the tune-up. So I'm gonna go ahead and test it and make an espresso shot.
Yeah, healthcare. So my biggest expense is employees. It's hard. Yeah. It's hard to find someone that has experience. They just don't. Yeah. But these guys are both new this year. But we were only working on.
This is like really wonderful shot,
We were working with a smaller crew.
and it's tasty too. Let's test the steamer. Works great. The hot water. Works perfect too. Thank you for watching.